Hey explorers, welcome back to English Explorers with Ridhima, the place where your vocabulary gets a glow up one word at a time. In today's video, we are replacing 5 basic expressions with smarter, sharper alternatives that will make you sound more fluent, whether you are at work, writing emails, or just want to level up your everyday English. First one I have for you, keep going. Instead of keep going, you can use persist. Persist means to continue firmly despite obstacles. It's powerful and focused. For example, she kept going despite the difficulties. She persisted despite the difficulties. It's the perfect word when talking about sentence. It's the perfect word when talking about resilience, goals, and growth. Success often comes to those who persist. It shows strength and determination in just one word. Let someone know. It becomes notify. Notify is formal, short, and often used in business or tech communication. For example, if we used basic one, then you will need to use let me know when it's done. If I talk about the advanced version, please notify me when it's done. Also, you will be notified by email. It's direct, clear, and very professional. Let's separate a very common word. Use becomes utilize. While they both mean the same thing, utilize gives a more strategic or technical feel. Let's try using them in basic and advanced version both. Basic, try to use this method. And if I talk about an advanced version, try to utilize this method. It fits beautifully in business, science, or academic writing. We utilize this technique to save time and effort. It adds polish without sounding complex. Here's a strong, assertive upgrade for you. Get rid of, it becomes eliminate. Eliminate means to remove completely. It's powerful and precise. Basic. We need to get rid of these errors. While if I talk about the advanced one, we need to eliminate these errors. The goal is to eliminate unnecessary steps. It works especially well in reports, planning, and productivity tips. And finally, figure out becomes determine. Determine sounds more thoughtful and analytical, perfect for serious or formal settings. Let's put both the basic and advanced version of this word in a complete sentence. We need to figure out what went wrong. We need to determine what went wrong. It's often used in research, business, and tech. The system determines the best route automatically. It's clean, clear, and confident. If you enjoyed these vocabulary boost apps, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss your weekly word upgrade. Stay sharp, stay confident, and I'll see you in my next episode.